Greetings everyone, I've returned to Disneyland and it's at night. Let's roll that intro. When it says it's only a 30-minute wait to go see Jack and everybody in the Haunted Mansion holiday, you say, yes, please, let's go. I'm ready to see him because you know what? This is always good. It's always fun to come, but it gets so much better at night. Just look at this guy. It is so good. So good. Oh, nothing like being back in the mansion at night. He's like, yo, walking through the portrait gallery. The rest of that line, not even a half hour. That was great. It's maybe 25 minutes, a little bit of line here at the end, but not that bad at all. Shout out to the cast member Cody, who was standing right at the spot he needed to, and he snapped his fingers, and then, of course, the lap bar dropped. That was so cool. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love you, Zero. Oh, I want to give him a hug. I know I can't, but I still want to. And here he comes in 3, 2, 1. Oh, I love him so much. Oh, we're back in the ballroom, and interestingly enough, they don't have the audio narration in my Doom Buggy, so I do like that normally, but it's just kind of nice to focus in on all this. So good. Just so good. And look, a zero. It's another zero. How many zeros will there be? There's a picture of Zero and Jack. Does that count as a third one? I don't think so, but still, there's one more we have to see. Right, Hatbox? Right, Hatbox? Thank you. Oh, there he is, the third time over. I love you, Zero. Oh, yeah. Howdy, Jack. I hope I never tire of this site. It's just so pretty. I'm stuck in the graveyard. Oh, we'll start. We're going again. We will continue. Okay, the mummy is missing there too. Coast to coast, the mummies are missing. I was just at Walt Disney World, the mummy's missing there. What's happening? What happened to the mummies? Imhotep. That's the only thing that makes sense. Oogie! What do I get, Oogie? Come on, let's get something good here, baby. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, I got the candy cane snakes. I often get the candy cane snakes. I was so close to getting the special one. Oh well. I'll take these. Thanks, Suggy. So Zero just went by here too, so that's 4 times maybe? I don't know. There's the portrait too. I don't know, but still, great attraction. Love it every time. Just cutting on through the back streets of New Orleans, and I'm just gonna head right into Club 33. I'm just kidding. No, okay. Well, not today, but one day. One day. I can't wait to go. Please. Oh. Just waiting for my buddy, John Stamos. Reach out. I don't know, John Stamos, does he go to Club 33? I wonder if that's true. That'd be so cool. One of my dreams, by the way, is just to run into him on Pirates of the Caribbean and be like, hey, John, how you doing? I love Pirates of the Caribbean too, you know, as well. Speaking of Pirates of the Caribbean, I think it's time to hop aboard Pirates of the Caribbean. It says 15-minute wait. I don't know if I buy that. We'll see. Probably like 10 minutes, to be honest with you. Maybe less. Hopefully less. All these people riding Pirates of the Caribbean, except for the ghost boat. I'm sure there's a reason. That one's got like tape and stuff on it too. There must be something going on with this one. Yeah, I think people told me they send through empty boats sometimes. I'm not sure exactly what the reasoning is, but I still love a good ghost boat when I see one. Good job, ghost boat. You're doing it. So lovely. A little bit warmer in here tonight than it is outside too, which is nice. Oh, very Caribbean, if you will. Oh. I grabbed one piece of gold from there, turned into a skeleton man. Oh. No, I'll pass. You don't really have the lighting going on for him right now, so it's just like darkness. It's kind of cool, actually. the best of the best, Barbosa. Old Bill, still MIA. Where is he? Well, it might be kind of chilly out, but you know what? I think it's time to go back to the laughing place. Oh, here we go. The terror begins anew. Also, I think there's a water bottle in here because something grazed my foot. Oh, it's a Gatorade bottle. I was like, what is that? There's something in the loft. Oh, the owl is back. Okay. There he is. Oh, yes. Oh, my goodness. This is gonna be so much fun, everybody. Time to begin with a little slip and falls, everybody. Okay, put your hands up at home. Now put your hands up. Okay, here we go. Woo! Okay, ho, 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 ho. Ah, ho, 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 ho. Oh, it begins. Oh, it continues. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Howdy, boys. How do you guys do? Say it when you meet. How do you do? With everyone to be pretty good. Show us your bone. Pretty good. Show us your bone. The weather is good. The fishing is fun. Oh my gosh, he's like right over the water. He's so close to the water. Oh, that is. Oh, does he have a soggy bottom? I don't know. Oh, this is insane. Hey, the lighting package looks better here, though. This is looking nicer. All right, guys, this is gonna get real bad real quick. We're gonna do the tiny drop, but then I'm gonna put the camera away for the slip and falls. I mean, not slip and falls, the laughing place drop, because that's gonna be bad. No doubt. This is just a tiny rainbow ponds drop. Okay, all right, guys. All right, I'll see you on the other side. Oh, yeah. Okay, so left knee got pretty wrecked, which is weird because usually it's the right side that gets it, but it's okay. Man, this one cooks so fast comparatively to the one at Walt Disney World. Yeah, I like both though. I love both. Yeah. This one has this cool moment here though, where they're all singing about the sadness and the darkness. But another weird difference is that our vultures here, they don't have the top hats and stuff.
You are laughing.
It's so interesting to me. Okay. Here we go. We stopped halfway up the drop. That freaked me out. All right, guys.
Well, that's just where you're going.
Oh my goodness.
Woo!
Ho, 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 ho. Ah, very nice. Very nice. I think I found my laughing place. Ah, so good. Thanks for joining me. That was really fun. And the big reveal here at the end. Hi, guys. Oh, the zippity lady. The Croc band is playing. Nice. We made it. And the train. Okay, well, I was so hoping. But I always like looking at the leaves. Yeah. Another thing is that Brer Fox here has white hair. Like, he's got white, like, accent hair? I don't know, is that what you'd call that? And again, Brer Rabbit's actually in his house here at the end versus, you know, outside of it. Having a good time. You can actually see the water damage on me. Oh yeah, I got hit. Oh, I'm having a good time, you can see. Ah, yeah. That's your view of the drop for me. After action damage report. Again, like I said on the ride, it's mostly my left knee that got, you can see like here and down. Yeah, a little rough. A rough splash, but hey, that's what happens. You roll the dice when you go on Splash Mountain, especially by yourself. But I appreciated it. And you know, I'm just trying to get it as many rides as I can before it goes down for a lengthy refurbishment, overlay, all that stuff, you know, which will be coming, I'm pretty sure, here in January of 2023. So, something I try to keep in mind all the time. Cutting through the hub to get to the last attraction of the night, and just look at that castle. Oh my gosh. Now, I was trying to figure out if the little lights on the top of the spires were new or just brighter or something. But wow, how adorable. How lovely. Charming, quaint, just so very festive. Nailed it. Always do, Disney. You always do. She's a beautiful sight, but the problem right now is those are some work lights up there. Yeah, like kind of up over here. Oh, Matterhorn's down right now. So sad. But honestly, it'd kind of be a cool thing for me to ride it with lights on. Like, yeah, you ride during the day with lights, but like inside some of those interiors there, that'd be so cool. That'd be so cool. And here we are at last. It's a small world holiday, but at night. Ugh, because on like the last vlog you saw me cover it during the day, but look at this. No comparison, really. Just look at how beautiful it is. All right, let's get a little closer, shall we? I got to choose which way I wanted to go, left or right. Cast member was like, you should go this way, closer to the lights. And just look at this. The camera doesn't do it justice, but it's beautiful. It's so good. Oh my gosh. I stand here long enough and I just start to tear up a bit. And the nice thing, you've got the topiaries that are all lit up as well. You've got your ghost boat. You also have your Mustang over here. I love it. I love it so much. It's great. It's so good. And here we go. Look at that moose. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. And there's the lovely bear. Oh, and the buffalo up behind it. It's so good. And I love this Mustang. Look at him. The blue mane. So good. There's Santa reading off the naughty and nice list. I bet he gets a lot of mail every year. Oh my goodness. I love this tree right here. It looks so good. Oh, and it smells so good in here too. I don't know if that's cinnamon or gingerbread or what it is, but it smells lovely, lovely. Just, I like how the animals have these little hats on. Like, oh, it's so good. And again, I just can't get over this hippo. Just look at the hippo. I love you, hippo. Feliz Navidad. And also, there are a couple cast members back there I was not expecting, and kind of freaked out some of the riders, myself included. But also, look at that Christmas tree piñata. Isn't that so cute? Oh my gosh. It's so lovely. And I love that sun. I still love that sun so much. All of the reindeer over there represented, very nice. But don't forget, Bella Kalikimaka and the Hula Girls are back. Yes, we need more of them though. Bring them all. Bring them all. We're ready. We're ready. It's so good, this last room. Oh my gosh, all the rooms are great, but it just feels like it coalesces here. Always with It's a Small World, but specifically now, this time of year. Just beautiful. Just so nice. Just so beautiful. Look at it. It just doesn't get old to me. I love it. I love it so much. I'm sorry if I keep saying that again and again. It's just so true though. Look at it. One last look for now. Man, just so lovely. So joyful. Just, yeah. Yep. Very good. Well done, as always. Just, it's fantastic. Everybody, that's going to do it for this evening here for me. Thank you so much for joining me. It was lovely. Just Disneyland at night, like, look at that. It's just, there it is. I was going to say, it was just beautiful. Camera couldn't even understand it. That's how pretty it was. Thanks so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. Also, a big thanks to everybody who's been liking, commenting the videos. That helps a ton. It really does. It helps my morale more than anything. But also a special big thank you to the patrons. You guys mean a ton to me. You guys don't have to do any of those things, but just know that it really, it means a lot that people want to support the channel, not only with their time, but financially as well. That really is great. Thank you so much. Either way, until next time, just remember to adapt and overcome. Bye-bye. Your patience has been rewarded as we walk down Main Street, USA. All the holiday decorations up, popping off. Thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate it. Bye-bye. Bonus bit. Icky and Minnie are saying goodnight. Bye.